Hello, students. Hello, future engineers. Many students feel EMFT is difficult, but today I will prove it is actually logical and beautiful. Let's start with Coulomb's law. So, we know there exists a force between two charges, maybe positive and negative, or positive and positive, or negative and negative. As we know, there is a repulsive force existing between like charges, and attractive force exists between unlike charges. So we know there exists a force, but we don't know what is actually the magnitude of the force, which is given by Coulomb's law. So the force between two charges is given by F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. Here the proportionality constant K is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon, where epsilon is permittivity of the medium, which is a product of absolute and relative permittivity. So epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, epsilon r is relative permittivity, which is given as 1 for air. And here Q1 and Q2 represents the point charges in coulombs, and r is the distance between the charges. In vector form, we can write the expression for force as F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square into AR bar. Here, AR bar is the unit vector which represents the resultant direction of force, which is given as vector divided by the magnitude of the vector. If you see here, we considered two charges Q1 and Q2, which are separated by a distance R12. If I want to know what is the force acting on second charge because of first charge, that is written as F12 is equal to product of the charges in coulombs divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R12 square into R12. Here, the resultant force direction is towards Q2. And if I want to say about what is the force acting on second charge because of first charge, that is going to be F21, which is similar to the force acting on second charge because of first charge, which is also equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Instead of writing R12 square, here we can write R21 square into R21 bar. Here R12 and R21 are the vector direction of the resultant force. Thank you.